Hello, my name is Lily. I am a member of the team SaveWalletCoupons.com to get the course called Social Media Marketing Agency Digital Marketing Plus Business. All you have to do is to visit our site, SaveWalletCoupons.com, and here you will find an article called Social Media Marketing Agency Digital Marketing Plus Business, Udemy Coupon. Inside the article you will find 2 red links. Just click one of them and access the course. Let me show you. Don't worry, you will find the link to the article and to the course in description. Let me tell you the description of the course called Social Media Marketing Agency Digital Marketing Plus Business. In this social media marketing agency course you will learn how to build a social media marketing agency, Facebook marketing and Facebook ads, find the right niche for your business, set up pricing and build your agency's website, digital marketing mentality and fundamentals, Instagram marketing, find and get clients for your agency, social media copywriting, how to become a storyteller, search engine optimization, email marketing, sales funnels, email automation, build your team, Twitter marketing, YouTube marketing, Google Ads, Google Analytics, 21 digital marketing strategies, marketing cognitive biases, use automation tools, Instagram ads, website persuasion, targeting, remarketing, and much more. This course is a complete package for people who want to learn marketing and start to make money with it as a digital marketer, or in general people who want to make good money with specific instructions. Along the course, we will learn both how you can do successful marketing for different businesses and how you can build a successful social media marketing agency. All the course documents are written and available with lots of bonuses and prepared templates to make the process of learning and working as a digital marketer become easier. I will review this course, Social Media Marketing Agency Digital Marketing Plus Business, with 5 wallets from a max of 5. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I wish you a great day.